Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can password protect a folder in Windows 11 without installing anything. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So open up the folder that you want to lock and do a right click and click new and click on text document. Okay, so after that, you can name this document whatever you want. I will just name this one as folder lock. And then let's open it. Okay, now after this one, go to this website. It's from github.com, and you can just pause this video and copy the link. Now, once you're on the site, you will see a code. Now, all you have to do is copy all this code from here. So make sure you do not skip any line. So let's go ahead and highlight and copy and paste this to the text document that we just created. So just do a paste from here, and that's it. Now, let's look at the code. And from here, you should see the phrase, if not pass is equal to your password. You just need to edit the phrase password from this one. Now from here, you just need to type in the password that you want. I will just write here Web Pro. Now after that, click on File and click on Save As. So from here, we are going to save this as a batch file so that we can run it. So it is also important to save this inside the folder that you want to lock. So for the file name, I will just keep the file name, but I will add an extension .bat. That is .bat for batch file. Now for the document type, I will just choose all files, and after that I will just click on save. So after that one, we can now close this text document here. And as you can see, we have now our folder lock batch file in this one. Now for the text file, you can actually delete this one, but let's just keep this for this video. So what you can do next is you can double click on the batch file that we just created, and it is going to create a folder that is named private. Now what we can do is copy all these pictures and put it in that private folder. Alright, now after that, double click on the batch file, and there should be a prompt asking if you want to lock this folder. So just type in the capital Y for yes and hit enter. Now you should see that the private folder is now hidden. So if we close this one and open that folder again, we can only see the batch file in here. But if you want to unlock, you can double click on the batch file, and here it will ask for your password. So you simply write in the password that we created earlier and hit enter, and the private folder should appear again. And here you can access the contents of the folder. Alright, now to lock the folder again, you just simply go to folder lock here and type in Y for yes, and your folder should be hidden. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.